differently, but the general analysis is the same, and it's going to be beneficial to know it. Now, the next thing I'm going to look at today is going to be the euro yen. Euro yen's interesting. We had a break above, close above here on the 4 hour, and it looks like if we go down to the hourly, we're getting a retracement here. Actually, this is not going to be, if you're a trend following trader, this is going to be a good reversal sign. A higher high, higher close. We see an engulfing candle down. We see a nice pin bar here. So a bar that we saw a lot of selling pressure, and that selling pressure was rejected, giving us a nice bullish reversal bar. A higher high, higher close here would be a good sign of a reversal. The problem is risk reward. For me, I'm not a true trend trader. So let's just say, for example, I got filled right here. I'm only allowed to shoot with my initial targets for a retest of previous structure highs. And I know that stops need to be below this spike. And you can see the risk reward isn't going to work in my favor. However, if you're a trader that is a trend following trader, and let's say you're shooting for something like a 127. So a Fibonacci extension from, let's just take our full move here, our swing low to swing high here and back down. Let's make sure that's on my chart, actually. There we go, 127. Let's go out to a higher time frame, a daily chart. See where that ends us at. Doop. Up. 127 is going to put us, I may need to go to a weekly chart here. This is what happens with live analysis, guys. Let's go to a weekly chart. Let's see what's up at this level. Yeah, we can certainly move to that 127. There's no real clear level of structure. The market kind of stair-step down. So you can certainly expect to move or project to move to that 127 extension. And if you're going to do something like that, for example, you can see that just increases that risk reward into a favorable position. In fact, we may have a double 127 here as well. If we take our swing low to swing high. Oh, look at that. 2 127 extensions in the same level. So you have a 127 extension from your previous move down here. This swing low to this swing high. You also have a 127 extension from this smaller move in here. And if you're looking for secondary targets, why not shoot for a 1-to-1 risk reward, which is going to be right above this 1618 Fibonacci retracement level. So decent opportunity for you trend following traders on euro yen. But I hope that makes sense why I can't personally get involved, just because of my style of trading. I'm not a trend following trader. I'm a trend continuation trader, meaning I take opportunities where the market is in trend, but the trend continuation versus the trend following, that really has to do with target placement. Now, lastly is the pound dollar. Talked about this in Saturday's Forex market. All right, so you can see we had a pretty nice follow through on the euro yen trade. Essentially, the market did exactly what we predicted after getting that 3-bar reversal signal, and it's just pretty cool to be able to show you guys different opportunities to take advantage of the market. That's one of the real benefits of our syndicate program, is because you have access to multiple traders that, although we follow the same general philosophy on the market, how the market moves and whatnot, we do have different trading styles as far as trend continuation versus trend following versus counter trend. I know Jason Greystone is much more of a trend trading trader than I am. I'm more of a counter trend trader. And because of that, you get to see how we approach different opportunities and really different ways that you could evolve your trading. I got a question yesterday from a prospective client who was asking about the strategies we teach and what is your risk reward for this strategy and what is this and what is that. And I said, hey, yes, we do teach different strategies in our training course, meaning specific techniques, specific strategies that you can use to trade the market. But in general, what we teach is the skill of trading, the skill of technical analysis. So the general skill of reading a price chart, the general skill, obviously, of trading psychology and money management. And with that general skill, what you can do is essentially create the trading plan in your own mold. And I believe that's very important for every trader. It's very difficult, unless you're trading, say, a mechanical system, to just trade blindly, meaning trading based off someone else's rules. And It's not necessarily difficult on the execution side of things, or I should say the analysis side. It's difficult on the execution side because if you don't really have a belief and a trust in what you're doing, you're going to make a psychological mistake. And if you make a psychological mistake, that's going to sabotage your trading. But when you mold and take the time to create a trading plan that is built for your personality, think about it like a custom fit suit or a custom fit car, you're much more comfortable trading it in the market because you're much more comfortable. You trust it more, you believe it more. Hopefully you've done the work necessary to prove that it works. And you eliminate those mistakes like not pulling the trigger, right? Not taking the trade or getting scared and moving stops or getting scared and taking targets too early. And it allows you to be a much better trader big picture. So again, our goal here in the Syndicate program is to come in and just show you different opportunities to attack the market. Some of those opportunities we take personally, some of those opportunities we don't, just because it doesn't fit inside of our plan. But the end goal is to help you see what you can become as a trader and take those first steps into getting you on that right track. And then, of course, when you're ready to take the next step, when you're serious about really learning how to trade, right? I recommend checking out our flagship trading course, which is called the Ultimate Trader Transformation. In that course, we teach you everything we know about trading between myself, Jason Greystone, and Jason Stapleton. It's a large course. It's a large course, but well worth your time if you use it the correct way. So that's a long-winded version of telling you good trade call here. And again, if you're interested in stuff like this on a daily basis, make sure you sign up for our Syndicate program. We'd love to have you in it. All right. Good luck today, traders.